My video guide will provide you with instructions to remove the ransomware that is called DoyUk 50. DoyUk 50. This video will demonstrate to you what exactly this ransomware does with the files and how it affects them. So you can clearly see that before the ransomware attack you are able to open the files without any complications. You can open pictures, music, Microsoft Office files and other documentation easily. But then it might happen that because of certain vulnerabilities in the system, the ransomware may actually attack the files, and after the attack is successful, it immediately encrypts these files. And the reason it is called DoyUk because it adds this special DoyUk extension in addition to the main file extension. So when you try to open the file, you simply cannot do that. The file is no longer available. The ransomware gives this scary message that says that all your files have been encrypted. It also says you need to pay the special ransom, which is 5,500 American dollars, the tremendous amount of money. The ransomware tells to pay this ransom and to contact these people using this email address. But we strongly urge you not to do that. Contacting these criminals or paying the ransom doesn't guarantee that you would get your files recovered. So we strongly advise that you immediately remove this ransomware. We suggest that you go to the C drive, select Program Files, choose Internet Explorer as probably the only available browser, and we recommend you to start to download Combo Cleaner antivirus that will help you to effectively delete this DoyUk ransomware and to protect your files from being damaged in future. Combo Cleaner can be found on this official website, combocleaner.com. So, download it using this green Download Combo Cleaner button, run the installer, wait until the program gets completely installed, and start investigating your computer with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner antivirus, you will need to select your scan type. In fact, 3 scan types are available. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. Even though the trial mode only gives you the Quick Scan option. Full Scan and Custom Scan are the parts of the premium license. So to use these 2 scan types, the premium license upgrade is required. So click on Start Scan button in order to detect and identify all sorts of malware, ransomware and other threats on your computer. While the scanning is in progress, you may experiment with some settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, if you go to the settings and click on Anti-Ransomware tabs, you can add a special folder which will store the files that will be duly protected against ransomware attacks and encryption. So this feature, however, is only the part of the premium license. So you need to wait until the scanning is completed, and at the end of scan you will need to click on the Remove All Threats button. This will help you to get rid of the ransomware type threats and other threats such as adware, browser hijackers, and other kinds of computer infections.